You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words from mathematics and statistics. British English and American English pronunciations are quite similar, just a little different. So let's go through British English pronunciation. Percent, per, cent, 2 syllables, stress on the second syllable, percent. In American English, US versus UK, percent, percent. American English, percent. British English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.